Hello, I am Professor Ashish Dasab Shinde, working as an assistant professor at NB Nole, Sinhagad College of Engineering, Solap. Now today we are going to study introduction of differential amplifier. Introduction to the differential amplifier. In that we have to study introduction, DC and AC analysis, and types of differential amplifier, that is DIBO, dual input balanced output differential amplifier. Second, DIUO, dual input unbalanced output differential amplifier. SIBO, single input balanced output differential amplifier. And fourth one, SIEO, single input unbalanced output differential amplifier. These four differential amplifier we have to study. First, introduction for the differential amplifier. As its name, see here in a block diagram, amplifier with gain ADM. So V0 is equal to ADM inside the bracket V1 minus V2, difference between two input voltages. It is a basic block diagram of differential amplifier. It will amplify the difference between two input voltages. First one, see the diagram of dual input and balanced output differential amplifier. This diagram, it is of the dual input and balanced output differential amplifier. See in a diagram, there are the Q1 and Q2. These are the two transistors, NPN transistor type. And here V1 and V2, dual input. These are the two inputs, so called as the dual input. V1 and V2, these are the two inputs, so it is called as the dual input. These inputs are applied at base terminals of the transistor Q1 and Q2 respectively. See here, plus VCC, it is a power supply connected for the collector terminals of the both the transistors. RC, it is a collector resistor. IC, it is a collector current. IB, it is a base current. RB, it is a resistor, base resistor. And here 2RE, it is a emitter resistor. And minus V, it is a supply connected at the negative terminal of the transistor. So its name as a dual input balanced output, because here we apply the input at both the terminal V1 and V2, so it is called as the dual input. Two inputs, so dual input. And balanced output, here we take the output at both the collector terminal of the transistor, so called as the balanced output. So it is a dual input and balanced output type of differential amplifier. See here, amplifier are the electronic devices which increase the amplitude of a given signal when the difference between the two different signal is amplified. The amplifier is known as the differential amplifier. From the block diagram of differential amplifier, two input terminals and one in output terminal, the output signal can be represented as V0 is equal to ADM inside the bracket V1 minus V2. ADM, it is a differential amplifier gain. There are the four types of the differential amplifier. Already we discussed regarding the dual input and balanced output differential amplifier. There are dual input unbalanced, single input balanced output differential amplifier, single input unbalanced output differential amplifier. These are the different types of differential amplifiers. See here, in dual input balanced output differential amplifier, plus VCC power supply at collector, minus V power supply at emitter, RB it is a base or source resistor, RC it is a collector resistor, Q1 Q2 these are the NPN transistor, V1 and V2 these are the power supply applied at base terminal of the transistor. From the above amplifier V1 and V2, these are the supply voltages applied at both base terminal of the transistor and output is taken at both the collector terminal of the transistor, so called as dual input and balanced output amplifier. This differential amplifier excellent stability, high immunity and high versatility, that is it can amplify both. Op-amp is a versatile device, it can amplify both AC as well as DC signal, so it is called as the versatile. It is regarding to the introduction of differential amplifier. Here we studied see here regarding to the dual input and balanced output differential amplifier. See in a diagram once again. Dual input means two input V1 and V2 are the AC or DC power source applied at base terminal of the transistor. We can apply here DC source also, AC source also, so it is a versatile device. At the base terminal of the transistor, we take output at the collector terminal of the transistor, so here we take output at both the terminal of the transistor, so called as the balanced output. Plus VCC and minus V, it is a power supply applied at collector terminal and emitter terminal of the transistor. It is the exact internal structure of that op-amp amplifier, transistor as an amplifier. It is the basic concept here. I think all of you clear the introduction part of differential amplifier. Thank you.